All right, everybody, so I'm headed back to work today, and I just really am not feeling it. I know we all have them days we ain't feeling it, right? So we're gonna do a ponytail. Thank goodness my hair is still curled today. I'm feeling like maybe I need a bandana on so we can pull our curls up to the top. Leave some of our bang down. Get some of that dark in there. There we go. Leave some bang down. Pull our curls up. Grab our trusty bandana. I like to always have my little things on the side if you haven't seen. Tie that up in a knot. Make it so it's fitting good. Might even put a couple of bobby pins just to keep it in place. Got the curly ponytail on top, so you know what I do. Is I back comb, get crazy with it, make it all nice and full. It always helps to have the nice fullness in there. And then when you don't feel like it and you don't give a fuck, look, I don't feel like it, I don't give a fuck, but I still look cute because I put my little bandana on. Made it all full in the back, full little ponytail with your bandana on. I think it has some bling in the back. You better watch out. Don't care what you heard, okay? I'm ready for the day. I'm ready to go. I hope you are too. Curl your hair during the day. The next day you can throw it up. Super cute. Still got some curl in it because you used your freeze and shine. I know you did. Everyone went out and got it. So still look cute, right? Have a different style. Have your hair up. People are like, what? Is she so damn cute? I don't know. Maybe it's because I styled my hair, okay? And maybe you should try it too. And then you'll look cute and feel cute, okay? We can all do it. Thank you everybody for watching. If you're still watching and hanging in there with me for this 365 days of hair, because we're just trying to get through the day, get through life, look good. I'm trying to inspire other people. Please style your hair. You could do it quick. You could do it easy. You could take your shower at night. You could curl your hair at night. Wake up, throw it up, look good. We can do it. Even if you didn't curl your hair. I did a whole week last week where I didn't feel good. I didn't curl my hair, but I still threw it up and I still looked good even with it straight. Come on, let's pull together, ladies. Even the gentlemen out there, please grab some gel, grab some molding paste, grab some anything. Put it in your hair. Look good, feel good, we can do it. All right, if you like this video, press the like, which is the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, anything you want to say, anything you want to tell me, positive, negative, hopefully it's more positive. I'm trying to be positive, I'm trying to spread the positivity. Down with the negative, up with the positive, okay? Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.